the sunset down. Why do I have shadows? I said sun. There's light in you, and where there's light, there is shadow too. You must learn to play with your shadows, and if you do, then the world will play with you. And the child said, Dad, I am so scared. And I said, son, you're not alone. And he said,